edge of a cliff. Just like everybody else. Dave's closer to the cliff than we are.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Today, we're finally going to go do something because the weather is nice. We're going to head over to Valley of Fire. We have never been there before.
Yep.
So we are headed in the direction of those red hills over there. I think.
Yeah.
We're not sure.
We're just not sure.
We're not sure, but that's what it looks like. So, we're headed there. It's just in the afternoon. Probably just be there for go around for a couple hours. We have Bear with us. She is allowed in the park, just not in the visitor center.
Yeah.
So that'll be okay. She could go for a walk or a ride. Oh, baby. The area up here is all rocks. All rocks. So we drive slow. Some people drive nice and slow and some do not. And I'm thinking they don't care about their vehicle very much.
There was one this morning, he had to be doing 30 miles an hour.
And it was just, was it an SUV or a van or something?
Yeah.
And, you know, like a soccer mom van. It wasn't anything that should be going flying on these rocks.
He was moving.
Lovely views, and it's nice up here as long as the weather's nice, but boy, when it's windy, it's awful. This has been pretty the past couple days. We've been pretty lucky the past couple of days, knock on wood, right? Stop recording.
I take it this is the visitor center?
No.
That's not?
No.
Hi!
Welcome to Valley of Fire. Are you residents of Nevada?
Yes.
All right, it's going to be $10, please. All right, take this inside your windshield. We'll need to see it when you leave.
Okay.
There's a map of the park, and the visitor center is 3 miles up on the right.
3 miles.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah,
You
you
too.
too.
Thank you.
In here.
Resident of Valley of Fire.
Here's another one. Wow, these are pretty cool. Their windows have beautiful views. Ah, there's a peeping Tom. There's petroglyphs up there.
Yeah, there's also writing on the rocks.
Yep. here on the Tuesday before Thanksgiving, and there's a crazy amount of people here. We thought, oh, Tuesday afternoon shouldn't be too bad. There's a lot of people here. Thanksgiving week. Thanksgiving week. So this is the RV campground at Valley of Fire.
what you wanna do. And if it sets you free, believe in only you. Yesterday is gone, forget about tomorrow, and the ceilings you see right through.
Valley of Fire, wasn't it beautiful?
That is incredible.
It is so pretty. So Tom gets a, for never have been here, and he lived in Las Vegas.
I lived in Las Vegas for several years. Never made it over here.
It's worth it. It was $10 for us because we are Nevada residents, so that's not too bad.
If you're not a Nevada resident, it's 15, I think.
I think so.
I think that's what it was.
I think so, yeah.
And you don't have to get out of your car. You can drive through.
It's gorgeous.
There are many hikes. We didn't do any of the hikes, but we did get out and walk up amongst several of the rocks.
Yep, in the area. So pets are allowed, dogs are allowed, except inside the visitor center. So you can take them on any of the hikes that you want. We brought Bear with us today, and she got to get out and walk around a little bit. So it was a nice afternoon.
Yeah.
We've been here for a few hours, and like Tom said, we did not do any of the hikes. That would be another day, a longer planned visit. But next time we come here, we'll plan for hikes. We just kind of wanted to come and see it, since we are so close, camping on Snowbird Mesa. So the vistas are absolutely gorgeous. So thank you for joining us at Valley of Fire, Nevada. See ya!
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
See ya!
Okay, do the end again because I was like,